Guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're just gonna keep rolling on with some more smooth tunes. We have Q-Tip featuring Common called Sound of Legacy. Never heard this before, so let's check it out.
Soul rhythm, let it ride.
Also, this must be like a new song because I know Q-Tip and Common, and I think this song was only made a couple of years ago. So they just still making music, I guess. Okay.
Soul rhythm, let it ride. Soul rhythm, let it ride. Sunlight hit through the train line glass. Life move quick, but I make it last. Every lesson from the past still attached, like a jazz loop spinning back on wax. I seen people lose their soul for applause, chasing hollow dreams without a pause. I just build through the highs and flaws, trying to spread truth through the art I draw. Slow down, let the groove breathe. Every line rooted deep in peace. No rush, let the soul speak. Every word like a heartbeat. Ride with the rhythm, let your mind flow free. Every drum got a piece of the story. No stress, just the soul in the beat. We just moving through the city streets. Love, peace, let the vibe increase. Every line bring the spirit relief. If it's real, let it grow naturally. That's the sound of legacy. Look, too many blinded by material shine. Forget the value of the spirit inside. I learned wisdom through the pain and time. Still searching for balance in the chaos of life. Music heal when the world feel cold. Turn broken thoughts into something gold. Every verse like a seed we sow. Hoping truth still grow through the noise we know. Slow down, let the groove breathe. Every line rooted deep in peace. No rush, let the soul speak. Every word like a heartbeat. Ride with the rhythm, let your mind flow free.
Yeah.
Every drum got a piece of the story. No stress, just the soul in the beat. We just moving through the city streets. Love, peace, let the vibe increase. Every line bring the spirit relief. If it's real, let it grow naturally. That's the sound of legacy. Every note got a deeper feel. Every scar taught us what is real. Through the rhythm we continue heal. Let the soul reveal. Yeah.
Wait a minute, so where's Common and Q-Tip? I thought that was Q-Tip before, but
soul rhythm, let it ride.
it's not even gonna. Hold on. Let me see something real quick. Jazz rap soul. It doesn't even have Q-Tip or Common on it. And I'm so upset because the way my OBS is set up, I can't even scroll down right now until I get my guy to come back through here to fix what's wrong with my computer, but I don't know.
Soul rhythm, let it ride.
Okay. It's a really good song, even though Q-Tip and Common wasn't even on it. I'm going to try to find the version of them on it. Because then I wonder if this is like just a chorus version of their song. So I'm going to try to find the version with them on it. All right. And then when I find it, I'm going to react to it on the channel for you guys. Okay. But like, comment, and subscribe. I'll check you guys out later. Bye.